My name's Greg Fernandez. I'm the maintenance manager here at MHL340, also at Fort Bend Recycling. We got 2 locations. Maintaining equipment is what I do around here. I came from the oil field. My thing is offshore work, big heavy machinery. I work now with Fort Bend Recycling and MHL340 for the past 5 years, and has brought their expenses tremendously down. I mean, from a cost-wise down. That's my specialty, is heavy equipment, and I love what I do. In behalf of Fuchs machine, loving it. Maintenance is really easy on it, being, of course, that it's brand new. And second of all, it's easy when I can call somebody like Trey at 4 Seasons, and he goes beyond his way just to help us out. You know, mechanical issues, I've had nothing. No mechanical issues with it at all. I prefer it. I'm not the operator, but what I hear from the operator, it's a nice, smooth machine. Runs a lot better than what he used to run. He used to run the Cinnabogan, but he's very happy with it.
Mi nombre es Víctor Gallardo, tengo 4 años trabajando con la máquina Fuchs. Es una excelente máquina, trabajo muy bien con ella, se maneja, se opera bien. La cabina es perfecta, el asiento de la máquina tiene su presión de aire, depende el peso que uno tenga, se acomoda la máquina al peso de uno y se ve perfectamente para enfrente para trabajar con ella. Siento que es más eficaz la Fuchs, trabaja mejor, tengo mejor visión de todo el panorama cuando estoy trabajando con ella en el piso o con los clientes. Eso es lo que yo veo que es mejor la máquina. Esto es un poco diferente porque se tiene que trabajar con el metal y con mucha gente que viene aquí, y debe tener uno mucho cuidado con los clientes cuando uno está descargándolos. Igual con los camiones de la compañía para poder cargarlos y no tener ningún daño con ellos.
According to the operator, it's a lot better setup. There's less jumping around. It's a lot smoother, and it's way better on his back. He usually ran another machine, and he it would jump a lot. This machine here, it's very smooth. It's like being in a Cadillac, if you could say. The owner, which is Adam, and the head of operations, which is Bassam, they went out to Fuchs, met with Trey. They had a lot of good reviews. Of course, my boss there, they do a lot of research. So for them to go there and actually choose to get a Fuchs was on them, so they did the research on it. But once it got here, I was very happy with their decision. It's a great machine, great machine.